Have you ever wondered what really happens when you crack your knuckles? A prevalent myth suggests that this habit leads to arthritis, but what does science say? The popping sound is actually caused by the collapse of tiny bubbles in the synovial fluid, a lubricant in your joints. Studies have shown no concrete evidence linking knuckle cracking to arthritis. In fact, one researcher even cracked the knuckles on just one hand for decades without any noticeable difference. So while your mom might not approve of the sound, rest assured, it's unlikely to cause harm. But as with everything, moderation is key.